Life today feels fast, expensive, and overwhelming. We buy more than we need, spend more than we earn, and somehow, still feel like we don't have enough. But here's the thing. Our grandparents lived with less and yet had more peace, less debt, and stronger money habits. So what were they doing differently? Well, in today's video, we're going back in time to learn 30 old-fashioned habits that can help us live smarter, save money, and feel more in control, starting today. 1. Cooking from scratch. Instead of buying ready-made meals, cook with basic ingredients. It's healthier and saves money long-term. 2. Hanging clothes to dry. Avoid using the dryer. Hanging clothes in the sun saves electricity and makes clothes last longer. 3. Sewing or mending clothes. Fix small holes, buttons, or tears instead of throwing clothes away. You save money and reduce waste. 4. Meal planning. Plan your meals before shopping. It prevents impulse buying and helps you use ingredients efficiently. 5. Using everything up. Don't waste leftovers, scraps, or products. For example, use veggie scraps for broth or squeeze out every bit of toothpaste. 6. Walking instead of driving short trips. Walk to nearby places when possible. It saves gas, money, and improves your health. 7. Drinking water instead of soda. Water is free, or cheap, and healthier than sugary drinks. Avoid spending on soda and bottled juices. 8. Making coffee at home. Skip expensive cafe drinks. Brew your own coffee at home and save hundreds a year. 9. Turning off lights when not in use. Always switch off lights and appliances when leaving a room. It's a small action that lowers your energy bill. 10. Reusing jars, bags, and containers. Keep glass jars, plastic bags, and containers to store food or organize your home. No need to buy new ones. 11. Growing your own herbs or veggies. Start with small pots or balcony gardens. Even a few herbs save money over time and are fresher. 12. Preserving food, freezing or canning. Freeze leftovers or can extra food. This extends shelf life and prevents waste. 13. Using a shopping list. Always shop with a list to avoid buying things you don't need. Stick to the plan, it saves time and money. 14. Buying secondhand first. Check thrift stores or online marketplaces before buying new. Often, you find great quality for less money. 15. Borrowing instead of buying. Need a tool or book for just one use? Ask a friend or use the library instead of buying. 16. Fixing things before replacing them. Try repairing appliances, clothes, or furniture before rushing to replace them. 17. Batch cooking meals. Cook large portions and store them in portions. It saves time and helps avoid eating out. 18. Making homemade cleaners. Use vinegar, baking soda, or lemon to make simple cleaning solutions. They're cheap, safe, and effective. 19. Collecting rainwater for garden use. Catch rain in a barrel or bucket to water plants. It's free water and reduces your utility bill. 20. Bartering or skill trading. Trade services with others. For example, cut someone's hair in exchange for help with repairs. 21. Saving change in a jar. Drop loose coins into a jar daily. Over time, this small habit builds up into real savings. 22. Avoiding debt unless necessary. Only borrow when it's absolutely needed. Avoid buying things on credit if you can't pay it off quickly. 23. Celebrating simply. Have meaningful birthdays or holidays without going overboard. Homemade gifts and small gatherings save money. 24. Using libraries. Borrow books, movies, and even tools from your local library, for free. 25. Waiting before making purchases. Follow the 24-hour or 30-day rule before buying non-essentials. Often, you'll realize you don't need it after all. 26. Living below your means. Spend less than you earn. It's the core of financial freedom, old wisdom that still works. 27. Budgeting with envelopes. Divide cash into labeled envelopes: food, transport, fun. When it's gone, helps with self-control. 28. Repairing relationships, not replacing people. Old generations worked on relationships instead of giving up easily. This also saves the emotional and financial cost of breakups or conflicts. 29. Having a side hustle. Many used to do odd jobs on the side, gardening, baking, fixing things, to earn extra. You can too. 30. Being grateful. Practicing gratitude daily makes you feel rich even with little. It changes your money mindset in powerful ways. Old-fashioned habits aren't outdated, they're underrated. In a world that pushes fast spending and fast living, these timeless habits help us slow down, save more, and live better. Which one will you try first? Comment below. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.